Anthem guys, turn them
Trying to
on.
stop my shot, stop my shot, stop my shot, stop my shot. Tragic events today as Homer was testing out his new sick motorcycle. He hit the curb and flew out into traffic. He got hit by several other cars. He made it out with only a bruise.
Elephant green screen effect.
Well, that's pretty much all there is to tell, kids. The Griffin family history is a rich tapestry. But since we're all gonna die, there's one more secret I feel I have to share with you.
I'm SpongeBob.
What? How can you even say that?
Shut up, Chris.
What the fuck are you doing? Don't put fucking sugar in your coffee. Instead, put in Husqvarna 440 gas-powered chainsaw, 40cc, 2.4 HP.
Now where could my pipe be? Garfield! Location of smoke apparatus. Feline! Red tube. Cat.
Nintendo memes that'll make you the coolest friend in the group chat. First off, we have This Does Not Mama the Meme.
Hey, SpongeBob, check out this new clarinet solo. Whoopsies, that wasn't my clarinet.
Whopper, 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 Junior Whopper. Oh, sorry, messed up. Flame grilled taste with, toppers. Something about today. Lettuce, mayo, pickle, cucumbers. Ah, fuck, can we redo this? What do you mean we can't? Fuck you, Burger King. Have it your way, bitch. You better give me my money after. Oh, fuck, it's still going. It's, alright. Happy K. Fuck, what was I supposed to say again? I fucking hate my job.
Gromit! Our financial troubles are over. My newest invention will make us rich. Money in the bag, please. I'm crackers! We've done it, Gromit! We've got the cheese, Gromit! Cheese! Gromit, do you ever wish there was a time where we didn't have so much cheese? I think it tasted better when there was less to spread around the cracker.
What the fuck are you doing? Don't put fucking milk in your cereal. Instead, you could try to put the Tommaso train at... What the hell are you doing? Don't put fucking ketchup on your fries. Instead, put a Honda HRG 466 SK petrol lawnmower. Thanks to its powerful 4-stroke engine with minimal vibration, it guarantees a comfortable and effortless...
Your mama's so smart. Her brain could feed the soup.
Well, this stinks.
Your mom hits you with a Chromebook charger in the back of the head at full speed max.
You try to straighten your motherfucking hair, bitch, it coils back like the Roblox coil sound, bitch.
I drank a big bottle of coke and now I'm wretched and broke as I stare into the endless dose. I slap my diaper with woe. Ooh. I drank an 8 ball of coke and now I'm wretched and broke as I stare into the endless dose. I slap my diaper with woe.
Which one of these couples can make you cringe the most? I'm so
angry. I'll kiss you anyway.
My eye! Kiss, please! I'm sorry, you have to get away from me!
No! I'm gonna get to a pain!
It's JoJo and Baxteroo!
What the signal? What the signal?
Gosh, I hope I see some baby wipes!
Wait, what?
Could I get your Snapchat?
Sorry, I'm kind of only into taller guys.
Okay.
Domer. Domer. Domer.
Domer.
Mario. Mario? Mario?
Dear God, it's all Mario!
You wanna joyride?
Huh?
You wanna go on a joyride with me?
I was actually gonna say...
You don't know how to drive, do you? Don't worry, I'm a driver's expertise!
What? No! We don't need to...
Let's roll, Super Bowl!
Driving in my car right after a beer. Hey, that bomb is shaped like a deer. DUI, how about you die? I'll go 100 miles in an hour. Little do you know, I filled up on gas. I'm a kid, you're about to make it ass. Pulverize this fog with my broken truck. It seems you're out of luck.
Baby, Bluey, Ohio, Bowser Fart, Pepino, Chungus, Bogus, Jumbo Josh, Skibidi Toilet, and Ghetto Smosh, Kino, Canny, Reddit Gold, Freddy FNAF, Soul Retro, Pickle Rick SMG4, keep your wrist memes, what a snore!
Oh, look, a strawberry. Oh, look, a strawberry. I really like it.
Getting.
We're falling!
Oh, we are falling.
Shut your fucking...
Woman, you're way too close!
It's not fair! Why do all the turtles get to swim in plastic? I want to swim in plastic too! Ah!
The dramatic exit.
What's that?
Crap. Now this means Eric is gonna.
Someone took a freaking dump on the toilet. Someone took a freaking dump on the toilet. Someone took a freaking dump.
Call me a good boy. I'm a good boy.